2014 ATS. The Cadillac ATS debuted in 2012 as the Cadillac ATS debuted in 2012 as an American-made compact luxury sedan. The ATS gives the driver incredible comfort and control over a nimble, hard-driving compact that directly competes with the 3 Series. And is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: OnStar, navigation system, heated seats, backup camera, keyless entry, traction control, premium wheels, stability control, dual airbags, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.